Jordan, let's go. Come on.
Do the tumble dryer.
What's the tumble dryer?
Right there, next
right
to you.
Look at where he's looking.
This?
Yeah.
Yes, you dumbass.
What is it?
It's a tumble
dryer.
dryer.
It's a hair dryer. Get in it.
Yeah,
You know, like a fucking salon.
No, Jordan, put your ass.
Can you push my couch back? You moved it. Jordan,
Where did I move it to?
push it back on the wall.
Where do I move it to?
No, this side. This side. Your right side. Jordan, you're fucking up. Okay, go back in the dryer.
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Wait, I
Just
have to
turn
wait,
it on.
Wait, I need to.
Get him a chair. Get him a chair.
Jordan, here, sit here. Come over here. Sit over here. Come on.
Jordan, it's gonna feel good. Do it.
I can't.
Jordan, shut up.
It's just hot air. Do it.
I can't move.
Okay, well, okay, yeah.
I can't move, but all right. Dom, that's his name.
Dom.
Yeah,
Dominic.
you're too tall, so you're gonna have to squish a bit.
Hey, can you mute it? Because I can't hear it.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Hold on, let me turn it on. Okay, ready?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Ready?
Go for it. Do it.
Come on, get in.
Wait, we're not yet.
What?
Jordan.
Not yet.
Oh, I thought you said Unaya. We're speaking Japanese there.
Jordan,
Get in,
don't be a
wait, come on.
pussy.
Scoot down.
Jordan, I bet you it feels good.
Come on.
Come on. Get
She
in.
do your hair for free, man.
You know salon
You fucking,
stuff.
you You're a fucking spaceman.
Tell me.
People go on the moon.
Oh my god.
Get out of here.
Oh my god.
Did she even turn it on?
Oh my god, dude.
Turn it off.
You're fucking crazy, Jordan.